channel. I'm Astrid. Today we will unbox and review this Lego City Barbecue Burner. Is 4 plus, meaning if you are above, you can play it. Below 4, your sister or brother might choke it if it's 2 years old or 3 years old. That's it. So guys, this is the box and the number is 60212. It has a fire truck. And we have 2 minifigures. And there's fire everywhere. He's making a hot dog. So guys, before I unbox, please visit my Facebook page, Astrid Mulles. And please visit my YouTube channel, Astrid Mulles, for more videos. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Okay guys, are you ready to unbox?
Yeah!
Let's unbox! So guys, let's roll the tape. Ooh, we have the bottom piece of the fire truck. We have the first bag. We got the instructions. And we have one more bag. The small one. Okay, let's put the box over here. Now let's just put the instructions over here for a minute. And let's open these 2 bags. Now let's put the gray piece over here. Let's open. Let's separate the pieces. First, oh, look at the hair. It's so cool. And this guy has 2 faces. One is a smiley face and 2 it's scared. The yellow is gonna be over here. Okay, now let's open the second bag. There we go. Now let's put the plastic over here by the box. So guys, first I'm gonna separate all of the pieces so the faster we can build it. So guys, I'm already done separated all of the colors. Materials ready. Instructions ready. Are you ready to build?
Yes!
Let's build! First you're gonna need black feet. And then the body. And then his face. And of course you're gonna need his hat. And we gonna need is his axe. Now let's build the fire. Let's just put him away for a moment and let's build the fire. That is really hot. There we go. Now let's go. Oh, of course, I almost forgot. His hose. Ta-da! Let's let him hold his hose. See? So guys, this is the fireman. Now we gotta need his head and his hairpiece. For the other guy who... Now, he had a blue outfit. That's really awesome. Now let's... And guys, this is the exciting part. See? He's like this and then... He's scared! Okay, let's put him this good face. Yeah, the instructions say we have to put him in scary face, but let's just put it in the normal face. Let's give him hot dog. Ta-da! Now let's put him in his hand. He had a hot dog. Now let's get to the building part. First, we gotta need the base and we gotta need some wheels. Building this Lego City barbecue burnout. So, guys, I'm gonna tell the story. First, let's just move the fireman away first, because he's doing something. He was grilling a hot dog. Then he left and he's gonna get another hot dog. And then when he come back, everything was on fire. Now, yeah, we have to change his face in matter he's gonna be scared. I hot dog. He's gonna get his hot dog. He wants to save his hot dog. At least it's still okay. Now he's still not happy, cause his grill. Now the fireman come. Wow. Now he came up. There go. There's his. Now he's gonna shoot out the fire. Let's put the fire over here. Now the guy is saved. Yeah, we have to change the face again. Yay! Now, the end. And that's the end. We'll start. Fire! Ah, I got fire! So guys, I'm done building this Lego City barbecue burnout. Before I end, please visit my YouTube channel, Astrid Mulles, if you want to watch more videos like this. I have Lego Disney, Lego Friends, and Lego Classic. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and share. Click the subscribe button to get new video updates. Thanks for watching.